Welcome to Bite-Size Pet Trivia by UPETZE. Today's topic is Persian cats. Good luck. What was the original name of Persian cats in the 1800s? Chinchilla longhair, Angora longhair, peaky-faced longhair. Peaky-faced longhair is the correct answer. Which famous royal figure owned a Persian cat named UPETZE? Queen Victoria, King Tutankhamun, or Cleopatra? King Tutankhamun is the correct answer. What is the Persian cat's average daily sleep duration? 6 to 8 hours, 10 to 12 hours, or 16 to 18 hours? "16 to 18 hours is the correct answer. Thank you for playing Bite-Size Pet Trivia. Please hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications.